How I manifest this car in a month.
Hi, I'm Ask Auntie Amy. I am a Feng Shui coach. I use Feng Shui to help my clients to get what they want within their realms of possibility. Most common mistakes that people make in manifestation is they expect just putting a vision board, do some affirmation, do some meditation, or put a wealth bowl in the wealth corner, put a money tree in the wealth corner. That will work. They expect the sky just drop right in front of their lap, exactly what they want. No, it doesn't work that way. In Feng Shui, it's about aligning the heaven, the earth, and the man energy all together in alignment. And when you manifest with that all in alignment, things happen fast and quick. So if your manifestation doesn't happen within, say, 6 weeks to, say, 6 months, then you're doing something wrong. Your manifestation is not working. It only took me a month to get the car I want. That's what I say, correct manifesting. The key is when you manifest, you always have to follow up with an action. If you're not taking action, like you're just buying a lottery ticket, basically, that's what you want. And sorry, you know the odds about winning a lottery ticket with a $1 ticket purchase, right? It's pretty slim and low. Tip number 2, you also have to make sure what you're asking the universe to help you with, it's within your realm of possibility. That's right, within your realms of possibility. If you don't have the capacity, you better skill up, upgrade your skill set. Because if you don't have the capacity to do it, no matter how much you wish and pray for,